Hello friends, Marcy here. It's unboxing day for my MandyLynnPlans subscription box. And it is the January. I just ordered it on the weekend, Friday, and it arrived today, Monday. Wow, that is quick shipping. But I'm excited because I ordered it for my Wonderland 222 A6. I've never purchased a kit before that was specific to the size for my A6 Wonderland. I actually wasn't planning on buying kits for this one. I did purchase the headers, you know, for the 4-year, and then for my quarter, you know, these are from MandyLynnPlans. I believe I've shared those before. And then for the rest of my journal or planner, I just I put down some thin washi that I've had for quite a long time. And this is either from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This is some from DEK Designs and a little Thanksgiving Boo Bear. But I'm just playing around with getting familiar with this new journal. I didn't use it. It starts in November, but I didn't plan on using it. I just played with my washi tub one day, and I sat and I went through, this is some more playing around. This is part of my Hobonichi Weeks kit, DEK Design, and it's to fit the Hobonichi Weeks, but I like the way those boxes fit in the weekly on the A6 Wonderland 222. But I just, one day I got my washi collection out, and I went with the thin washi, and I put just on the side tab to mark the months. So every time there's a new month, I have a thin washi that kind of correlates with a theme color for the month. There's March, green. And it was fun. And I thought I wouldn't buy kits for this. I was just going to do some washi tape. And, oh, I skipped April. Oh, it's because it's like almost white. Pearlescent. May. And so this was fun, just playing with washi. And I wasn't really planning on buying kits for this, but wow, I found or discovered that MandyLynnPlans has kits for this size in the Wonderland 222. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. And hear my little dog walking around on the wood floor. I need to trim his toenails. Goodness. So let's get into this. This says enjoy, Mandy. And I love little stickers. I hate to tear them. I'm a sticker lover. So, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is my kind of style. I love florals. And these colors are absolutely fabulous. So this is a thank you card. And Mandy Lynn leaves them blank on purpose. She is giving it to me as a thank you for supporting her business, but also she it's blank so that you can use it and you can send it on and use it as a thank you card for someone else. So that is awesome. I love being able to reuse products, especially beautiful ones. So, oh, okay. That's a gorgeous sticker on the outside of my washi bag. Let's see what our washi looks like. I know it's going to be gorgeous. So we have, oh goodness, I don't want this to be difficult and waste your time, but I'm going to get into here, into this beautiful washi. Just take a quick second, and the removal of the plastic. That is pretty. And one more. Then I'm going to move my box out of the way so we can have some table surface to play on. And this mat, actually, I always forget to mention, this mat on my table is, I purchased it from Cricut Cricut. I have a Cricut maker, but that's my third Cricut. I've had several, and that's my third. I've had several. Okay, I've had 3. This plastic is sticking to me. Anyway, I bought the Cricut maker because I love to quilt, and so that was my intention, to use it to help me with quilting and cutting. But this mat is from Cricut. I ordered it from Cricut.com, but I think they carry them at Michael's. I'm not sure they have this pattern any longer because I've had it for, goodness, I know over 5 years, probably longer. And oh, the plastic is sticking to me. I'm sorry. So this washi is static in the air today, which is kind of odd. Our weather's been very crazy. I mean, like for 2 weeks, in the last 2 weeks of December, we were like highs in the 80s. At one point, like a week ago, my husband left for work at 5:30 in the morning. It was 70 degrees. And so there's some gorgeous washi. Then the last 2 mornings, it's been in the teens. But the morning of Saturday morning, it was at 5 o'clock in the morning, it was 19 degrees, but it was a feels like temperature of 3. And then an hour later, the feels like temperature was at 2 degrees because the wind was so bad. It's been very windy and cold. I should have left those together. Those are gorgeous. And I love this because it coordinates. Look how it coordinates and matches with this. Oh my goodness, I'm having a sticky. A thank you card. Isn't that gorgeous? Lovely, lovely, lovely. So let's get into some more beautifulness. Okay, so Mandy Lynn's having a virtual planner meetup, and there's a QR code there. I'm gonna check that out later. I'm not sure if I should share that publicly until I check into it. And then the box is stuffed with some more packing material. So this is the monthly subscription box for January. Oh, and it's the Wonderland 222 A6. And I purposely ordered no daily kits because the Wonderland 222, you can get a supplement notebook. And I did purchase the supplement notebook for my A5, but not the A6 because I do already have some other A6 journals. I have the Hobonichi A6, and I have some Stalogy, A6 Stalogies that, you know, and I don't plan to use daily pages, so these should be sufficient. I didn't want the dailies where, you know, you get the date header and some deco for each day page, but I purposely did not order that knowing that I wouldn't use it. Okay, so so we have, again, this gorgeous sticker, just a larger size that I love. It's the same florals that are on the thank you card. And we have the sleep tracker, some boxes, some day of the week trackers, I think. Oh yes, and the water trackers. I thought that should be in there. So then some boxes and some to-do dots. Enjoy the little things. Like Colby, can you hear Colby? Can you enjoy Colby? I hear him trying to play with Remington. And all these little icons for dinner, spending, crock pots, coffee, planner, car, balloons. It's just an assortment. So there we go. And then we have day of the week headers with some labels, hello weekend, and then 1 to 31 for the dates. Some more box labels and dots, and then washi strips. There's 3 different patterns, gorgeous patterns, might I say, and some more icons. Payday, there's just a various assortment. I'll hold that where you can, if you want to pause and look, you can. Recycle day, tidy up, coffee time, new release day. Actually, she has an event. I just saw on Facebook today, an event coming up. MandyLynnPlans Order. That's cute. Because I forget what day I order, and then I have to go back and look. And so I write down my order date and my expected delivery date, which happens quickly. Some more washi strips, top and bottom, and then some boxes and dots. And more. Again, day of the week. Some to-do headers with label boxes that fit. I'm anxious to see. These are so cute because they're so tiny. I'm anxious to put those in the A6 and see what they look like. And some beautiful deco, floral deco. So I will be doing a plan with me in the A6 coming up, putting all this gorgeousness to use in my Wonderland 222 A6. Please like and subscribe if you want to be notified for upcoming videos, because they're coming your way. Thank you for spending your precious time with me today. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.